lost their helmets. What's up, bro?
Thank you, brother.
Yeah,
the wind caught my helmet, dog.
I caught it, dude.
You got it on camera?
Yeah, I seen that.
Hell yeah.
Right on, guys.
That's what's up, homie.
Whoa!